In Banbury, we make spray dry, freeze dry and agglomerated coffee. The factory is over 50 years old. We have about 370 people employed and we're one of the largest and most complex factories within JDE. The factory is located within the heart of Banbury. As you can imagine, having such a large manufacturing facility in the middle of a town makes it extremely important that we manage our environmental footprint. Instant coffee is the most sustainable form of coffee that we produce. Right from the use of the green beans, we get over 50% yield. In terms of consumption, we look to minimise our gas and electricity consumption as much as possible.
Our processes are designed to minimise the amount of fresh water we use, and we make sure that we recycle water where we can. The coffee grounds that we have waste from our process, we use those to burn them as fuel, which allows us to then heat the process. This means that we're not then exporting grounds out to landfill, but also helps us reduce the amount of gas we need. Over 80% of the electricity we generate in the same process that we're making the steam that we need. So that means we limit the amount of electricity we need to import from the grid, and in some cases we can sometimes generate electricity back into the local network.
We are a zero waste to landfill site. This is a significant step forward over the last number of years and has taken a huge amount of focus from the factory to achieve this.
One of the byproducts from our wastewater treatment process is methane gas. We capture this gas and we burn it on site to create more energy for us. All these processes mean that we limit the amount of electricity, gas, water we need to make our coffee, limiting the sort of impact on our area. From a packaging point of view, we work with our suppliers to return some of the pallets and layer pads we need in transportation, so we're reusing them, so we're not having to reinvest. We also look to see what materials we can recycle and minimise where we can. A number of our production lines are with glass. It's a great material because we can recycle it, and we make sure that any waste glass from our process is returned back.
The sustainability journey never stops. I've been in manufacturing for over 20 years, and the importance of sustainability over that period has significantly increased. The focus that we have on sustainability today should only improve and go further and further. I've got 2 young children, and the world that I want to leave for my children when I finish in manufacturing has got to be a better place than when I started 20 years ago.